First of all, watch this video.
तीनों का प्रोसेस एक दूसरे से काफी अलग-अलग है। पहले इनके हाउस को देख।
So you may have seen this waving flag background in documentary type videos. Today we will create this effect in Davinci Resolve. So let's open Davinci Resolve. Add your map image from the media pool to the timeline. Now go to Effects and search for Flying Flag Effect. Then drag and drop this effect on the image. You can see the effect, it's looking good already. Let's make some adjustments. Go to the inspector, then Effects, and increase the scale so that the flag covers the whole screen. The effect is ready. Let's reset the scale and see what other options we have to make this better. So we can increase or decrease the wind strength to make the effect faster or slower. Use the bump scale to make it flatter or more bumpy. We can twist the flag and increase or decrease its strength. We can bend the flag if we want to use for making another effect like adding the flag to a pole. And we can rotate the flag on X, Y and Z axis as per requirement. We also have the option to flip the flag. For now I am just increasing the scale. Once you are satisfied with the effect, you can add your green screen video. Now I am showing you briefly. I will make separate video on green screen tutorial. So let's open this clip in Fusion and add a Delta Keyer node. Select the green color with the color picker tool to remove it. I am using transform node to make the clip larger to get rid of extra parts like this logo. We can also change the scale and position in the edit page. Let's add some drop shadow to the image. Search it in the effects and then drag and drop on the clip. We can change the strength, angle or color etc. of the drop shadow. If you want to add vignette on the entire clip, you can add an adjustment clip on top of our clips. Just search and add adjustment clip. Now if we add any effect on this adjustment clip, it will be added to all the clips which are under the adjustment clip. So open this adjustment clip in Fusion page and add vignette node. And adjust its size or softness as per requirement. So this is the final look. Thanks for watching.